Most tree companies would try to cut this cherry down. Instead, we see a tree worth saving. Instead of removal, we are stabilizing the tree so that the homeowners can enjoy the spring blooms, the shade, and all of its beauty for years to come.
With the right cabling bracing, this Quonset cherry has years left in its life. Removal is often the easiest answer when you see a structural defect, but there's no way of replacing this tree of this size overnight. Our goal is to make this tree safer and continue to let it thrive.
This tree took decades to grow, and in just a few short hours we were able to preserve it and reduce the risk for the homeowners so that they could enjoy the tree for years to come. Cabling and bracing is one of the ways that we can protect the trees worth saving.